Hey guys, it's Miss Schulman and Charlie here, and today we are going to be either playing, if you want to hang out with Charlie, but unfortunately you guys are stuck with me, so we are going to be talking about identifying and representing functions. So let's start off with what a function is. A function is a rule that assigns exactly one output to each input. Remember that our x is the input, what we put in, and the y is our output, what we get out when we put in certain x's. So let's take a look at an example here. Carlos needs to buy some new pencils from the school supply store. He asks his classmates if they know how much pencils cost, and Angela says that she bought 2 for 50 cents, Paige bought 3 for 75 cents, and Spencer bought 4 for $1. So Carlos thinks about the rule for the price of a pencil as a machine, and Carlos is not the only one. A lot of people like to think about functions as machines. So Carlos is going to put in the number of pencils. The machine is going to create a rule, and our output will give us the total cost. Seems pretty easy, right? Except they want us to figure out what that rule is. So we know 2 pencils cost 50 cents, 3 pencils cost 75 cents, and 4 pencils cost $1. What is that rule or pattern that we are seeing? Well, it looks like we add 1 pencil, we're also adding 25 cents. But what if I were to make that big jump from 4 pencils to 12? Well, we can also think about it as multiplying by 25 cents. 2 times 25 cents equals 50 cents. 3 times 25 cents equals 75 cents. And 4 times 25 cents gives me $1. So if we were to do 12 times 25 cents, we should be getting $3. So we said that we saw the times 25 cents, and that rule is going to be y equals $0.25 times x. Is it proportional? Yes, it is proportional. And that's all, guys. Remember, when x has more than one output, or y, it is not a function. So when we put in x, we only want to get one output. When we put in x, we only want one output. This is going to be important as we move on from here. All right, these little oval things with arrows are called mappings. A mapping is a way to represent a function, or the input and the output of the function. So remember, x can only have one output. So let's take a look. Our x is on our left, y is on our right, like always. So does 7 have exactly one output? Yes, it goes to 3. Does 8 have exactly one output? Yes, 1. Does 9 have exactly one output? Yes, 1. Does 10 have exactly one output? Yes, 2. So this is a function. Let's look at the next one. Does 3 have exactly one output? 3 goes to 0, 2, 4, and 6. So this one is not a function. Think about it, guys. Does it make sense that if you're going to put in a number into a rule, like, say, 25 cents times x, would it make sense for you to get 4 different outputs, 4 different answers? No, it doesn't. So the second one is not a function. Same thing, guys, with tables. Let's see. Let me just switch to my highlighter here. All right. 5 has the output of 7. One output. 10, 6, 15, 15, 22, 25, 12. Is it okay that these two repeat? Well, we said here it was okay if your output repeats. Your input cannot have more than one output, though. So I would say that, yes, this is a function. And last but not least, we have our graphs. So let's start off with using our points. So I wrote down all of the points for the heights and the weights of the team members. I'm guessing this might be basketball. I don't know, maybe football. Anyway, so my height is my input, my X, and my Y is my output, which is my weight. So every X can only have one Y. So let's take a look. 68. Does my 68 repeat anywhere else? Nope. So far, so good. 70 goes with 175, but 70 also goes with 165. Same thing with 71. 71 goes with 185 and also 170. So would we say that this is a function? Nope. It cannot be a function. So not a... I'm just going to abbreviate function. Another way we could do this is using, it's called the vertical line test. Vertical line, we know, is up and down. So as we go across, we're going to see with our vertical lines if any of those points are on that same vertical line. Well, at the 70 and the 71, it does not pass our vertical line test because there are 2 dots on those vertical lines. All right, guys. Functions are going to be important. We're going to start by identifying and representing them, and then pretty soon we are going to move on to more of the equations and functions. Your next assignment is on the board. Hands up if you have questions, and I will be around. See you guys soon.